Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn about batch picking in Odoo 19. You all know about batch picking. This is one of the picking method in Odoo. And first, I will tell you that what is it. So the batch picking is a warehouse operation method in Odoo that allow a user to pick items for multiple sales order at the same time instead of picking them one by one. So now I will tell you that how it works in Odoo. So let us take an example. Let's say you manage a warehouse for an online store that sells stationery and you receive two sales order in the morning. Like you can see here that sale order number 31 and the 32. You can open the sales order and you can see the product and the quantity. Now open the second one and see the product and the quantity, and you will notice that the quantities are different but the product are same. So now in this case what you will do, that instead of picking each order separately, you create a batch in Odoo. So what does it affect in system that combine all these into the single so that you can pick at once instead of going again and again. So for this you will go to the inventory and then click on pick. You here you can see that 13 order are to process, so click on this and then match your sale order number. Here you can see that 31 and 32 sales order. Now come uh, choose both sales order and then click on action menu and then click on add to batch. As soon as you click on add to batch, you will see a pop-up and you can select also an existing batch transfer, and you can select a new batch transfer. Here I will select a new batch transfer and then here select the name of responsible person. Now confirm this. As soon as you confirm this, you can see that your batch order has been created. Now when you go to the inventory overview, you can see that one batch has been created. That is this and the product are combined all in this batch. So that's how you can use batch picking in Odoo 19. Thank you. See you in the next video.